Today we are going to discuss chemical properties of the halogen group. So what are the chemical properties of the halogen? Previous class we discussed about physical properties of the halogens. Now chemical properties one by one we are going to discuss. Now oxidation. Generally, these group elements are more En value in periodic table. -1 oxidation state. Along with -1, it also exhibit +1, +3, +5, +7, either in ground state, first exit state, second, third, except fluorine. Now fluorine, generally fluorine can exhibit mostly -1, and 0 in molecular state. 0 in molecular state. Whereas the remaining elements can exhibit -1 also, +1 also, +3 also, +5 also, +7 also possible. Ground state में, first exit state में, second exit state में, third exit state में. We can discuss how ground state में +1 है, +3. For example, मैंने HCl दिया, sorry. अच्छा मैंने ये suppose ClF given, ये fluorine is -1, then chlorine should be +1. अच्छा ClO2 is given, chlorine is a positive oxidation state because when it combined with more En value, it is a positive oxidation state. When it combined with less En value, for example, HCl में combine कर रहा है, chlorine का -1 है ये. That's why it have -1 to +7 possibility. Possible oxidation state of halogens. देख लीजिए. +1, +3, +5, +7 also possible in their ground state or first exit state, second exit state, and third exit state, etc. So the based on electronic configuration, how it is possible? You can check it out. Because this ground state electronic configuration. Ground state में only one unpaired electron है. Ground state में. So here it can exhibit -1 or +1 also possible. For example, best example है, मैंने HCl लिखा, ये क्लोरीन के लिए -1 है. Like other example, suppose like ClF, मैंने ClF लिखा, ये क्लोरीन के लिए -1, क्लोरीन के लिए -1, सॉरी क्लोरीन के लिए +1 है, ये क्लोरीन के लिए -1, right? So next, +1 is possible. Now +3 in a first exit state में, देखो in first exit state में, now first exit state में +3 is possibility there. देखो 3 unpaired electron है, 3 unpaired electron है, +3 is also possible. Like we can go for second exit state है. Like second and third exit state है, देखो +3, +5, +5 is possible in its ground state में +1 है, first exit state में +3 है, +5, +7 is also possible. But fluorine always exhibit -1 oxidation state. We have most En value in periodic table is fluorine. और in molecular state में 0, right? Due to high electronegativity and non-availability of d orbital, fluorine does not show +1. That's the reason why fluorine never undergo disproportionation reaction, whereas chlorine, bromine, iodine can undergo disproportionation reaction. One of the reasons why fluorine never undergoes disproportionation reaction. This is the reason. Now oxidizing power. For your kind of information, among the periodic table, the highest oxidizing agent is fluorine. Next to the fluorine is ozone only. Achha, highest, we know SRP values also. You studied in electrochemistry, SRP values. The highest positive SRP value is fluorine only. Highest SRP value is a strong oxidizing agent. For your information, highest SRP value is strongest oxidizing agent. And the least SRP value is strongest reducing agent. Least SRP value is strongest reducing agent. Highest SRP value is strongest oxidizing agent. Least SRP is strongest reducing agent. So halogen oxides higher atomic number halides means fluorine can oxidize this chloride into chlorine. Acha, chlorine can oxidize. Sorry. Acha, fluorine can oxidize this. Chlorides into chlorine है. अच्छा, can oxidize this bromides into bromine है. Bromides into bromine है. अच्छा, iodides into iodine. Now oxidizing nature is nothing but fluorine is more oxidizing than chlorine, then bromine, then iodine. More oxidizing nature fluorine. What means chlorine cannot oxidize fluorine, but in case of chlorine, fluorine oxidizes only bromides and only iodides. Acha, in case of bromine oxidizes only iodides. Like here it converted into Br2 plus KCl. Now it converted into I2 plus KCl. Now it converted into I2 plus KBr. The strongest oxidizing agent is fluorine and least oxidizing agent is iodine. Note color. A similar example only I think they given. You can see the similar example only they given. Similar examples only they given. Acha, highest oxidizing agent is fluorine and least oxidizing agent is for iodine. Fluorine oxidizes water to oxygen. Fluorine almost oxidizes all the elements, all the compounds. The strongest oxidizing agent is nothing but fluorine. Oxidizing ability from top to bottom decreases. For a kind of information in complex compound also, I think you studied this kind of questions like complex compound. Cu, Cl4, 2 minus can exist. It can exist. But Cu, I4, 2 minus cannot exist. Reason, I minus is strong reducing agent which can reduce Cu plus 2 into Cu plus 1 with the liberation of, because it is a reducing agent here. It can reduce. Here it is a reducing agent which can reduce Cu plus 2 into Cu plus 1, cupric into Q plus 1. So this is possible. This can exist. This cannot exist only because this is a strong oxidizing agent only. But it is a reducing agent only. Reducing agent means it can reduce Cu plus 2 compounds into plus 1 compounds only. Like Cn minus also reducing agent. Like I minus Cn minus, similar kind of questions they may ask. Right? It will liberate oxygen because strong oxidizing agent. I think previous class also we discussed chlorine, bromine means top to bottom solubility decrease. In case of iodine is almost insoluble, sparingly soluble. Delta G also positive we said. Because of this nascent oxygen, in case of chlorine or bromine, it liberates nascent oxygen also. Oxidizing nature of this is nothing but. Iodine के लिए ये reactions हैं, देखो, can be oxide in acidic medium only, right? But note, आप देख लीजिए note. Previous class also discussed reaction to fluorine is what is a spontaneous, whereas iodine is a non-spontaneous. Delta G is equal to positive. And this is very important. Here, iodine with water is delta G is a positive. Means wherever exception case is there, they may ask the questions only. Which are the following case for solubility of iodine in water is a spontaneous or non-spontaneous? Which is a non-spontaneous reaction. Right. Now what is the highest oxidation state of halogen? Obviously, +7 in third exit state. The correct order of increasing oxidizing flow. Top to bottom oxidizing nature decreases. In electrochemical series also, highest SRP value is for fluorine only. Iodine के लिए reducing character ज़्यादा है when compared to oxidizing nature. There is no exception question, direct question. Top to bottom oxidizing nature decreases. The most common oxidation state of halogen, sir. The most common is -1, because of course when positive oxidation state is also possibility there. Also possibility there when react with the more En value elements. Most commonly -1 because it have a tendency to gain one electron in order to attain octet configuration. That's why gain of electron is -1 is oxidation state is more favorable. Achha, fluorine does not show variable oxidation state or disproportionation reaction. The reason is it is a high electronegativity, non-availability of d orbitals. Fluorine plus oxidation states are not possible. Right? Achha, next chemical properties. Achha, reactivity towards hydrogen. We know fluorine is a more vigorous reaction. Even in the presence of dark also reaction take place. Chlorine के लिए I think you might know that UV rate is required. Bromine के लिए some high temperature is required, catalyst is required. Iodine के लिए catalyst is required, and both are required only. Means we see the vigorous reactions. Hydrogen halides means maybe HF, HCl, HBr, HA. अच्छा, top to bottom is reactivity decreases. देखो कैसा. Even in the dark also reaction take place. Even in the dark also reaction take place. We can see. Here in the presence of UV light only reaction take place. Diffuse light, sunlight only reaction will take place. अच्छा, in case of bromine, heat, high temperature is required. But in case of iodine, catalyst also required. Heat and catalyst also required. अच्छा, catalyst also required. See, here dark reactions are taking place. In the presence of light also reaction take place. But in the presence of high temperature only. But here using a high temperature as well as catalyst also required. Means top to bottom reactivity decreases. That's why whenever Markovnikov rule are given, any rule is given, in Markovnikov rule, which is a more reactive, this is a more reactive. Because unstable na easily can break na, bond will easily break na. Reactivity order is HI is greater than HBr. Markovnikov rule kaavachu, like some dehydration reactions kaavachu, like anyone. So HI is SN1 mechanism, SN2 mechanism. Similarly, I minus is a more better living group on your. So top to bottom reactivity means here with the halogens, with the hydrogens, top to bottom reactivity increases only. Achha, these are all acids only, but acidic character we know top to bottom acidic nature increases only. We already discussed the acidic nature of the like organic compounds part 1, part 2. We discussed this. These are acidic. I think you might know, you might remember this Ka values order is HI is more acidic than HBr, than HCl, than HF. The basic nature order is the reverse one. F minus is strong base when compared to I minus 1. This is already organic chemistry में simple basic character है. Acidic center means Ka value or decrease in pK value. Increase in pK value, decrease in pK value. Stability also. Stability top to bottom decreases on. Stability is more polar, less polar, more stability. Stability order you can see. At room temperature, low boiling point liquid. and this low boiling point liquid है, these are gases हैं. This is a boiling point because hydrogen bonding is present in HF only. Remaining cases where there is no hydrogen bonding. Only HF is having hydrogen bonding. Remaining elements having no hydrogen bonding also. Which are the following hydrogen ions thermally most stable? Top to bottom stability decreases means HF is more stable. Since it is more polar and hydrogen bonding also exists at room temperature. Hydrogen halide with the highest acidic nature, HI, right? Like in 60 group also, H2 is more acidic. Which are the following hydrogen halides exist liquid state is HF, remaining other gases only at room temperature, right? Bond dissociation enthalpy is maximum for very strong, there is a maximum only. More polar bond, HF is bond, more polar bond. That's why maximum bond enthalpy is there. Stability also top to bottom decreases only. Acha, reactivity towards halogen atom. Reactivity towards halogen atom. How like means different oxides will be formed. Mostly fluorine form only two oxide है, fluorine dioxide है, fluorine monoxide है, OF2 is more stable है, dioxide is more stable है. Like fluorine form 3-4 different oxides है, fluorine monoxide है, dioxide है, hexoxide है, heptoxide है. Like bromine है, you can see. Generally halogens are oxide, corresponding oxides are formed. Fluorine forms two fluorides है. Fluorides है, monofluoride है, difluoride है. Difluoride is the most stable compound, red liquid है. Sometimes previously questions are also asked. OF2, what is the color of the OF2? OF2, and the stable oxide of the fluorine is OF2 is a stable oxide, right? Thermally stable. OF2 is only thermally stable, but O2F2 is not thermally stable. अच्छा, bond angle कितना होता है? 103 होता है bond angle OF2 के लिए. Thermally stable is nothing but OF2. The fluorine having two oxides, OF2 and O2F2. Which is the most stable? OF2. This is the red liquid also. Oxygen fluorides or oxyfluorides. Oxygen fluorides है. Fluoride oxides नहीं. Oxygen fluorides है. More electronic element is fluorine. That's why oxygen fluorides है, but not fluorine oxides है. This is oxygen fluorides है. But remaining fluorine oxides है. Fluorine oxide नहीं, fluorine oxide है. But here oxygen fluoride है. See the difference here, because fluorine is more EN value when compared to oxygen. Generally, whenever polonium impurities are there, the removal of polonium, generally these reactions are used. Polonium is a radioactive element. So O2F2 is a strong fluorinating agent. Generally, fluorinating agents we are using Schwartz reaction organic chemistry in order to prepare alkyl fluorides. We are using fluorinating agents only. And this reaction is used to remove plutonium as a plutonium. Whenever trace of plutonium is there, we can use this equation to remove the plutonium. Chlorine, bromine, iodine, but in our syllabus mostly they can ask the questions regarding to chlorine oxides only. Chlorine monoxide, dioxide, they ask which are the odd number of electrons, like questions, which is a paramagnetic, which is generally stability, generally decreasing out of stability of oxide from halogens, iodine 2 and bromine decrease hota hai, right? देखो example है, chlorine oxidases to chlorine monoxide, chlorine dioxide, chlorine hexoxide, chlorine heptoxide. अच्छा, in that anybody can tell which is the odd number of electron, which is having odd number of electron. अच्छा, this is having odd number of electron previously asked. Paramagnetic है, odd number of electron. अच्छा, for your kind of information, I think you might know very well. And water, hydrolysis water. अच्छा, hypochlorous acid is formed. So anhydride of hypochlorous acid is Cl2O. like ClO2 on hydrolysis will get ClO2. अच्छा Cl2O6 on hydrolysis gives ClO2 plus ClO3 mixed anhydride, whereas Cl2O7 on hydrolysis gives ClO4. Right. So this kind of question they may ask. Chlorine monoxide, chlorine dioxide, chlorine heptoxide, chlorine hexoxide, heptoxide, hexoxide. This is unstable. Chlorine hexoxide is unstable. Right? Right? Chalo, one by one we can discuss. Acha Cl2O and ClO2 used as a bleaching agent due to oxidation reactions only. Because HOCl is the most oxidizing agent. Among oxyacids of chlorine, a most oxidizing agent is nothing but HOCl, hypochlorous acid only. Because of it can liberate natural oxygen very easily. Acha, these chlorine oxides are unstable and explosive in nature. Bromine oxides into 2. Acha, in detail chlorine oxide we are going to discuss chlorine compounds. Acha, like Br2O, BrO2 and Br2O3. These are unstable and exist only at low temperature. High temperature, these are not existing. Only low temperature, these oxides can exist only. Achha, in case of iodine oxide, generally I2O5, I think you studied in qualitative analysis. I2O5 is utilized for estimation of CO. You know, estimation of oxidant intermediate steps is estimation of CO. For estimation of CO, you can use I2O5. Achha, dekho, I2O4. These are insoluble solids decompose on heating only. But I2O5 is qualitative analysis, there is useful I2O2. Is a very good oxidizing agent only. Like I2O5 is used in estimation of carbon monoxide, like it liberate CO2 gas only. So very, very important I2O5. Suppose they may ask the question, say NCERT based question. I2O5 is used in estimation of carbon monoxide. The equation also you need to remember. And generally, which is used in water purification plant. Water purification plant. Like oxidizing agents are only used in chlorinated water. First step, Cl2O, ClO2 used as oxidizing agent. More oxidizing agents are so chlorinated water and purification of plant, water plant, sterilizing water, chlorinated water. Thermally stable. Achha, OF2 is only thermally stable. Red color liquid also OF2. Achha, hydrogen bonding is present HF remaining because of size factor. It cannot never form hydrogen bonding with other halogens. Only fluorine. Right. Thermally most stable hydrogen halide is. Means HF is a more polar and more stable. Achha, generally acting like a what? Powerful oxidizing agents. These are existing only at room temperature. At high temperature, it can be dissociated and liberate oxygen gas, acting like a powerful oxidizing agent. Achha, estimation of carbon monoxide I2O5 is used, which can liberate CO2 and the liberation of iodine gas. This has previously in JEE examination, the questions are asked regarding to I2O5, iodine pentoxide. Achha, reactivity towards a metal. Achha, fluorine or chlorine react with the metals, we can going to discuss. Achha, corresponding metal halides are formed. like sodium halide. In case of magnesium halide, aluminum halide. Carbon halides are nothing but carbon halides like CCl4 and etc. Corresponding halides are formed. Metal halides are formed. Corresponding metal halides are formed. Metal is divalent. Bromine reacts with the magnesium to give magnesium bromide. Actually, here metal is a divalent. Suppose divalent, then it is a formula for MX2. If it is a monovalent, MX only formula. If it is trivalent, MX3 is only formula. So, director. It reacts with the metal side. अच्छा ionic character for a kind of information ionic character के लिए क्या फंडा है size of the anion is small size of the cation should be large cation is here m is the same for all but size of the anion is small in case of fluorine generally fluorides are ionic and iodides are slightly covalent in nature large size more polarizing capacity only more polarization is more covalent character only. Metal exhibit more than one oxidation state, but higher oxidation states में it is a covalent in nature. Lower oxidation state में it is a ionic in nature. Like means higher oxidation state law it is a covalent character only. Lower oxidation state law it is a ionic character only. Previously also we discussed about this regarding to this example. This is nothing but inert pair effect react towards a metal atoms. PbCl4, PbCl2, plumbus and plumbic. Pb in more than one oxidation state. So your higher oxidation state is a covalent character, lower oxidation state ionic character. Lower oxidation state is ionic character, higher oxidation is more covalent character. Higher oxidation state में more covalent lower oxidation state में covalent character very less only, right? Which is more covalent, less covalent. अच्छा covalent character very simple है. Size of the cation very small, anion large. Ionic character के लिए size of the anion is small, size of the cation is more. This simple formula. Ionic character top to bottom decreases. जैसे covalent character top to bottom decreases. Ionic character top to bottom decreases, covalent character because small size of the anion, fluoride ion. Actually, in case of iodine, large size, more polarizing power. अच्छा higher oxidation state में covalent है, lower oxidation state में ionic है. More covalent है क्या होता है? Higher oxidation में stanic है, Sn+4 में, stannous में Sn+2 होते हैं. अच्छा interhalogen compounds है. There are four kind of interhalogen compounds. This is very important according to need point of view, height point of view. अच्छा interhalogen compound है like AX type, अच्छा AX3 type, AX5 type, AX7 type. अच्छा ये should be a smaller ion. अच्छा ये అనేది స్మాల్ హాలోజన్ అయి ఉండాలి స్మాల్ సైజ్ హాలోజన్ స్మాల్ సైజ్ anion halide అయి ఉండాలి is a bigger ion sorry reverse ion अच्छा interhalogen compound generally AX type, AX3 type, अच्छा AX5 type, AX7 type. अच्छा A is a bigger halogen. A is a bigger halogen. अच्छा X is small. X is small. For example, ICl is possible. IBr is possible. ICl is possible. IBr is possible. I is a bigger ion. अच्छा AX3 type like ClF3 is possible. अच्छा BrF3 is possible. This is a bigger atom. Now AX5 type may be a bigger atom. A is a bigger, X is smaller. BrF5 is possible. अच्छा IF7 is possible. अच्छा hybridation in all cases में interhalogen all hybridations are sp3 only. अच्छा sp3 only. All are sp3 only. Right? देखो how all are sp3 hybridization and what is the geometry, what is the shape? देख लीजिए. Interhalogen compound. अच्छा previously asked one question है. Generally interhalogen are more reactive than halogens, except fluorine. Here exception is there, except fluorine. The reason is interhalogen compounds are polar compounds हैं. Since interhalogen compounds are polar compounds हैं, halogens are non-polar compounds. अच्छा previous class का नीट का क्वेश्चन है, जेई का क्वेश्चन भी था. Like for example, For example, ICl is given, Br2 is given, Cl2 is given, I2 is given. Which of the following is more reactive? More reactive interhalogen compound is more reactive. Suppose instead of this I2, suppose they given F2, their answer is F2 because except F2. F2 is the most reactive element in periodic table is nothing but F2, right? Except this one, interhalogen compound. Now we can see the hybridization, etc. Acha, X is a larger. What is that? AX. X is smaller size of the halogen. Bigger halogen atom and X dash is smaller. Acha, interhalogen compound. So interhalogen compound, hybridization and geometry is very important. Like same. Similarly, for 7 types also. In ground state में, first exit state में, second में, third में, 4 different compounds are formed. Which among the following is interhalogen compound? अच्छा, both are halogens होना चाहिए. Answer is C only. The only one compound interhalogen compound. अच्छा चलो, मैंने यहाँ आपके लिए हाइब्रिडेशन भी वन सेकेंड. अच्छा एग्जाम्पल देखो, एक ICl के लिए मीन्स AX टाइप. अच्छा एक ClF3 के लिए AX3 टाइप. अच्छा BrF5 के लिए any of chemical bonding also you studied this, and एक IF7 के लिए मीन्स AX7 टाइप हाइब्रिडेशन. देख लीजिए हाइब्रिडेशन है. अच्छा फॉर योर काइंड इंफॉर्मेशन, हाइब्रिडेशन के लिए फॉर्मूला P is equal to half into 7 plus 1 मतलब 8/2 4. मतलब हाइब्रिडेशन sp3 है. अच्छा how many bond pairs are, how many attached? 1 bond. और टोटल 4 में 1 bond pair है. How many lone pairs है? 3 lone pairs है. Molecule of the type ये B3El type. Molecule of the type because only one bond pair, only one attached. This is called bond pair. Only one bond pair है. Remaining 3 are lone pairs only. Remaining 3 are lone pairs only. Remaining 3 are lone pairs. Remaining 3 are lone pairs. Now this is a linear shape है. Shape is linear, but geometry is nothing but tetrahedron. geometry tetrahedral because P is equal to 4 sp3. sp3 means geometry tetrahedral. Geometry tetrahedral. Geometry tetrahedral. But in case of CLF3, actually everybody angular T shape. I think everybody might know this. Angular T shape. Angular T shape. अच्छा, P is equal to half into 7 plus 3. 7 plus 3 कितना हो गया? 5 हो गया. अच्छा, this sp3 dividization है. This sp3 dividization है. sp3 dividization में देखो, sp3 dividization में how many bond pairs है? 3 bond pairs. How many lone pairs है? 2 lone pairs है. molecular के टाइप ये B3L2 टाइप है. अच्छा, एंगुलर टी शेप ना, एंगुलर टी शेप होता है. टी शेप, एंगुलर टी शेप होता है. अच्छा, BRF5 अगेन P is equal to half into this 7 plus 5, 12 by 2, nothing but 6. sp3 D2 hybridization है. अच्छा, ये देखो how many bond pairs? only 5 bond pairs हैं. मतलब ये B5L टाइप है, स्क्वायर पिरामिडल है. स्क्वायर पिरामिडल ज्योमेट्री है. स्क्वायर पिरामिडल ज्योमेट्री. अच्छा देखो, IF7 होता है. IF7 है. IF7 में P is equal to half into 7 plus 7 है, which is equal to 7, and there is no exception है. sp3 D3 पेंटागोनल बाइपिरामिडल है. पेंटागोनल बाइपिरामिडल है. Pentagonal bipedal. They may ask the questions like this one. Ask the questions like this one. Right? Now चलो note करो, because interlagrange compound में reactivity के बारे में they may ask, and the formula के बारे में which of the following can exist, cannot exist, and hybridization and the shape and geometry they will ask. So among this today topic chemical properties में oxides, anyhow we are going to separate discussion chlorine compounds में, we can discuss oxides and oxy acids of chlorine only. But most important thing they ask interreagent compounds का. Interreagent compound का reactivity है and geometry है and shape. So this they may ask the questions. Thank you.